Hello everyone and welcome back to the Lock and Key channel, your go-to source for trusted locksmith tips and security solutions across the USA. Today, we're talking about something every homeowner deals with at some point, a misaligned door lock. If your key feels sticky, your door won't latch, or your lock just doesn't work smoothly, chances are alignment is the issue. Let's walk through simple DIY ways to fix misaligned locks before calling in a pro. A misaligned lock isn't just annoying. It can weaken your door's security, damage your hardware, and eventually lead to full lock failure. In areas where humidity and shifting foundations are common, misalignment happens more often than you'd think. Here are a few common signs that your door lock may be misaligned. The key turns but the door doesn't open. The latch doesn't catch the strike plate properly. You need to lift or push the door to get it to lock, or the deadbolt doesn't slide in smoothly. If any of these issues sound familiar, don't worry. There are some simple fixes you can try on your own. Tighten the hinges. Loose hinges can cause sagging. Use a screwdriver to tighten all hinge screws and see if that improves alignment. Adjust the strike plate. If the latch isn't catching, try repositioning the strike plate slightly. You might need to unscrew it and move it up, down, or inward. File the strike plate opening. If it's just slightly off, use a metal file to widen the opening. Be careful not to overdo it. Lubricate the lock mechanism. Sometimes friction makes it seem like misalignment. Use graphite or a silicone-based spray inside the keyhole and around moving parts. Check door warping. Especially in hot or humid climates, doors can warp. If that's the issue, a door adjustment or replacement might be necessary. If none of these steps work, or the problem keeps coming back, it might be time to bring in a professional locksmith. Our technicians at Lock and Key are trained to handle all types of door and lock issues, from realignment to complete replacement. Need help fixing a misaligned lock or just want it done right the first time? Give us a call or visit our website. We'll make sure your locks are secure, smooth, and reliable. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more practical locksmith tips and security insights from Lock and Key. Stay safe, stay secure, and we'll see you in the next video.